Hi, welcome to Clarity 16.1.1 Supportability and Feature Training. My name is Santosh Panchali and I'm a product manager of Clarity. In this session, we will review the enhancement made to Resources API that helps us to view and update financial attributes of a resource. So, what's new? In this release, we are introducing the ability to view and update financial information of a resource through the Resources API. And why is this important? Until previous release, the Resources API that is used for resource management was not having support for viewing or updating financial attributes. Our customers and partners have been looking for this capability in order to drive their integrations. Now, let's get into some more details. Starting this release, the Resources API supports additional financial attributes, namely financially active, department, location, resource class, transaction class, and vendor for both get and patch methods. And let's look at some rules when using this capability. When making a resource financially active, that is, financially active equal to true through this API, make sure that for labor resources, all of department, location, resource class, and transaction class are specified. And for non-labor type of resources, at least resource class and transaction class are specified. And these are the sample payload and response for patch and get requests, which we shall see in more detail shortly. Alright, let's go through a demonstration on how to use the Resources API to patch and get financial attributes of a resource. Here, I'm using an API client called Postman. You may use any API client of your choice. First, let's view the financial attributes of a resource, say for JSON. For that, I will issue a GET request for JSON using this filter and requesting for these financial fields. As we can see from the response, JSON is not marked financially active. Now, let's go ahead and try updating his financial information. For that, I'm going to issue a patch request with this payload. Note that since I'm trying to update this information for JSON, who is a labor type of resource, I must specify all of these fields because they cannot be left empty when financially enabling a labor resource. As we can see, the request is successful, indicating that the financial information is now updated. Now, if we issue the GET request again for JSON, we can see that the financial information is now updated. We shall do this one more time, but this time for an expense type of resource like travel, whose ID is this. Let's go ahead and update it with financial information. Notice that this time I'm not providing other financial attributes like department and location, as they are not mandatory for a non-labor resource. As we can see, the request is successful and that the information has been updated. This concludes the session on Resources API enhancement made to view and update financial attributes of a resource. Thank you.